To show his friendship, he told me a joke about a dumb inspector looking for a jewel stolen by the chickens. Dumb inspector indeed, eh? This made it clear to me that this was the guilty party. He had guilt written all over his face. Put up your wings, you are under arrest. Take this chicken in for questioning.
A chicken? I don't know what kind of questions you ask a chicken.
Never mind, just do as I say, please.
See?
Don't say see, say we.
See, I mean we. I mean, okay. Come on, let's go, Senor Chicken. March.
And do not say senor, say monsieur.
See?
Not see, we.
See, I mean we. Okay, Chicken, out with it now. Why did you cross the road with the red suspenders?
En garde, Monsieur Paulette. I have recorded your entire confession on my ring tape recorder, huh? Now, where did you hide that jewel? At last, the case is solved. Open the door, monsieur. Sacre bleu! Oh, Judo, dear boy, just step over here, please, for a moment. This scoundrel has hidden the jewel inside one of these eggs. Now, it is up to us to find which one. Now, start looking. Continue searching, Judo, please. We will find the right one sooner or later.
Holy smokes, I never seen anything like this. Look, something, that's so good.
Judo, give me that egg. This is obviously a decoy planted by the chickens. It's my duty to examine it. Wow-wee! I mean, how shocking. Cherchez la peine. I must confiscate this for, evidence, huh? Now, back to work, Judo. Hey, look at that. Oh, boy, what a stroke of luck.
No. The jewel. Another can.
Oh, Judo, dear boy, come here. Look at this one, eh?
Oh, senor.
That is another, Judo.
Wow, caramba, holy...
Here's another one.
Ooh la la, and away we go.